Alcohol consumption is widespread in all the cultures and countries of the world. In Italy, it is normal to drink alcohol. In fact, 95% of the population drinks alcohol.
In every country where there is alcohol consumption, there are people who have alcohol addiction problems. 5 million Italians have alcohol addiction problems.
Every year in Italy, about 30,000 people die due to consumption of alcohol.
In Africa, there are a lot of people who drink alcohol, and there are people and families who have these problems.
Some African immigrants in Italy take alcohol, and some of these people can have problems.
Why does this happen?
If a person or a family have alcohol addiction problems, what happens? What can they do?
According to World Health Organization, alcohol is a drug that produces physical, psychic, and social damages.
Alcohol is a psychoactive substance that affects the regular functioning of the central nervous system.
90% of consumed alcohol reaches the brain really quickly, between 10 to 15 minutes. Absorption of alcohol in a person's body and organs reaches its highest point after 30 to 90 minutes.
What is the effect of alcohol in the human body?
Alcohol can affect all the organs: liver, stomach, heart, and of course the brain.
It can cause reduction of fertility and reduces sexual desire.
It changes perception, reduces attention and concentration abilities.
This increases the possibilities of accidents to happen at home, at work, and on the road.
Every year, 30% of the people that seek help because of alcoholic problems in the public services are women.
Drinking the same quantity of alcohol in the same condition, women's blood absorbs a higher concentration of alcohol than that of men. Then we can say that women's organs are more sensible to the negative damaging effects of alcohol than men's organs.
For example, alcohol modifies the normal functioning of the hormones, reducing the possibility of having a child.
It is not advisable to drink alcohol while using contraceptives, taking birth control pills. Alcohol remains longer in the blood, and this can cause damages in the human body.
Taking even a small quantity of alcohol during pregnancy can induce miscarriage, premature birth, and fetal malformations. For this reason, it is important to inform women that taking even a small quantity of alcohol during pregnancy is dangerous.
Women who are breastfeeding should not drink alcohol. It is not true that alcohol increases breast milk. Instead, it is true that alcohol changes the taste and smell of breast milk, making babies to eat less.
In Italy, the underage youths start taking alcohol earlier than their other European age mates.
In Italy, 40% of youths between 14 and 16 years old drink alcohol.
The majority of youths think that taking alcohol is not dangerous. But last year, almost 20% of the youths from 15 to 24 years old behaved dangerously because of alcohol. Moreover, half of the deadly road accidents involving youths from 15 to 24 years old are connected to the consumption of alcohol.
Alcohol changes family relations, making them more difficult.
People who have alcoholic addiction problems always stay out of the house for a long time, spend a lot of money, and be aggressive with their relatives.
Alcohol makes people more violent. A lot of crimes like domestic violences, rapes, and killings are committed under the effect of alcohol.
People with alcohol addiction problems usually have serious working difficulties, often being late, on leaves, and on sick leaves. These problems can lead people to lose their jobs.
Using alcohol while working usually leads to serious accidents. 10% of the accidents is caused by alcohol, and industrial accidents are 4 times more common in people with alcohol addiction problems. Alcohol is dangerous also for people who drive. It reduces visual perception, attention and concentration abilities, increases dangerous driving, and causes drowsiness. In Italy, people who drive after alcohol consumption can have problems with the law.
According to the Italian law, if BAC into bracket blood alcoholic content exceeds 0.5 grams per liter of blood, it can lead to the suspension of your driving license. BAC can be detected through blood tests or through breath ELISA from a blood sample. 0.5 BAC can be reached by drinking a small quantity of alcohol.
For all this reason, it is better that who drives doesn't drink.
If you drink, don't drive. If you must drive, don't drink.
Alcoholism is not a shame, but a problem that is possible to face.
In Italy, public services and associations are available to help people and families with alcohol addiction problems to stop drinking.
If you have someone with an alcohol addiction problem in your family, or if you know somebody who has it, you can
Talk to your local doctor and ask for advice.
You can also contact a specialized public service, that is a service that deals with these problems.
In Italy, these services are called SERT, or Servizi di Alcologia, Alcology Services.
You can also address to associations that deals with these problems. For example, to the Association of Alcoholics Subjected to Treatment Club or Anonymous Alcoholics.
In any case, people will be helped free of charge.
If you don't speak good Italian language, you can ask a friend to go with you, or ask if it is possible to be helped by a cultural linguistic mediator.